Title: The Enigmatic Scholar. Characters: 1. Dr. Farhan Malik, a renowned yet reclusive scholar known for his groundbreaking research in ethics and literature. 2. Sara Ahmed, a young and ambitious journalist eager to uncover the truth behind a hidden manuscript. 3. Inspector Rizwan Khan, a determined police officer drawn into a web of mystery surrounding Farhan's manuscript. The story. In the tranquil town away nestled between Emerald Hills, Dr. Farhan Malik's name echoed in academic circles. His work on the ethical implications of classical literature had won him accolades, but his withdrawal from the public eye only fueled curiosity. It was said that one particular manuscript could redefine the understanding of ethics in literature, but it had mysteriously disappeared. Sara Ahmed, an ambitious journalist chasing her big break, felt an itch of intuition. She had heard whispers about the lost manuscript and was determined to find out more. Armed with her notepad and a relentless spirit, she approached Dr. Malik's secluded residence, a crumbling mansion that seemed to guard secrets of its own. As she knocked on the heavy wooden door, it creaked open, revealing the learned yet enigmatic Dr. Malik. His eyes, both wise and weary, scrutinized her for a moment before he motioned her inside. Dust floated in the dim light as they sat across from each other, a background of thoughts lying unspoken between them. Why seek a scholar shunned by the world? Dr. Malik's voice was calm but edged with curiosity. Sara leaned forward, her tone earnest. I've heard about the manuscript, its power and the potential it holds. The world deserves to know. Dr. Malik's expression shifted. That manuscript is not merely ink and paper. It holds the weight of moral dilemmas that could shake the very foundation of our society. Intrigued yet wary, Sara pressed for more details. What happened to it? Why is it hidden? Dr. Malik hesitated, and Sara could sense the brewing storm of his thoughts. The world isn't ready for the truths contained within. There are those who would do anything to possess it, and others who would go to great lengths to keep it buried. Unbeknownst to them, Inspector Rizwan Khan had been following a string of peculiar events tied to the manuscript. Whispers of crime and moral dilemmas had circled through the town, each leading closer to Dr. Malik. Determined to unveil the truth, he visited the scholar's mansion. As the inspector entered, he could feel the tension in the air thickening. Dr. Malik, I need your help. The manuscript you guard is linked to a series of troubling incidents. People believe it can alter perspectives on right and wrong. What do you know of it? Dr. Malik challenged. Rizwan's determination shone through enough to know that it has become a dangerous object, courted and feared. I implore you to help me before it falls into the wrong hands. At that moment, the atmosphere shifted. A sudden knock reverberated through the house. Fear danced in Sara's eyes as she glanced toward the door. Dr. Malik's brows knitted in anxiety. They both understood the implications. The secret held in the manuscript had drawn unwanted attention. With urgency, Dr. Malik led them to a hidden chamber beneath the mansion. Walls lined with books concealed the manuscript, a tome bound in ancient leather, heavy with the wisdom of ages. As they unearthed it, footsteps echoed above, a sign that someone was searching for them. Shrouded in darkness, they gathered around the manuscript, each contemplating its pages that fluttered gently as if whispering secrets of conscience and morality. But the impending danger loomed as they heard hushed voices. The men searching for the manuscript had made their way inside. Quickly, Dr. Malik urged. We must protect it and ourselves. Sara's journalistic instincts kicked in as she thought of ways to distract the intruders. I'll lead them away. You two hide the manuscript. Filled with courage, she darted toward the staircase, her heart racing. Inspector Rizwan and Dr. Malik sealed the manuscript back into its hideaway just as the door burst open. Sarah had successfully drawn the intruders out, but would her audacious plan succeed? The twists swirled like leaves in the wind, ethics and morality intertwining as the characters navigated the shadows of their choices. The pursuit of knowledge was now wrapped in a cloak of danger, testing their resolve and unity. In a climactic confrontation, Sarah with Inspector Rizwan Sapiote faced the intruders, exposing their selfish intentions to the light. The manuscript, a testament to literature's power, became a symbol of ethics, the very tools of confrontation against greed and ignorance. As dawn broke over Dr. Malik, Sarah and Inspector Rizwan emerged from the mansion, the manuscript secure but its burden heavy. They knew that knowledge must be wielded with responsibility. The ethics drawn from literature, once a mere academic pursuit, had taken on a life of its own, a thrill that resonated beyond ink and paper, fostering the courage to confront the shadows of humanity. Dr. Malik smiled faintly, acknowledging the newfound alliance. Sarah, having uncovered a deeper study than she had sought, and understood that the realm of literature was not just about prose, it was a battlefield of morals, revealing the power of knowledge, ethics, and integrity, with every word written being an echo of the human condition. The end.